Welcome to the Boldr Pro ecosystem. This guide will walk you through setting up your account, joining your organization, and installing a Boldr Smart Controller for mini-split systems. Getting started. Step 1. Downloading the Boldr Pro app and creating your account. Scan the correct QR code to download the app from either the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. The app will be listed as Boldr-Installer. Once the app is installed, open it up and create a new account using your work email address. Step 2. Joining your organization. After creating your account, the app will automatically attempt to link you to your organization based on your email address. We strongly advise that you use your work email address when creating your account, as using a personal email address will likely not grant you access to the correct organization. There are several possible scenarios when joining an organization. Find the one that matches what you see on your screen. Scenario 1. You received an email invitation. You'll see a screen telling you you've been invited to join your organization. If it's correct, simply tap Accept Invitation. Scenario 2. Your work email address grants you automatic access. You'll see a page telling you that your email address is pre-approved to join your organization. If it's correct, simply tap Join Organization. You may become the admin of the organization, which can be changed later. Scenario 3. Your email address is recognized, but you need to request access. You'll see a page giving you the option to request to join your organization. If it's correct, simply tap Request to Join Organization. Scenario 4. Your email address is recognized, but the organization is unclaimed. You'll see a page giving you the option to claim your organization. If it's correct, simply tap Claim Organization and follow the on-screen steps to claim it. You may become the admin of the organization, which can be changed later. If needed, you can invite your superior and other team members once claimed. Scenario 5. Your organization is listed but your email address is not recognized. You'll see a search field for all Boldr Pro partner organizations, with your organization as a result. Once you see your organization, select it, and tap Request to Join Organization. Scenario 6. Your organization is not listed and therefore your email address is not recognized. You'll see a search field for all Boldr Pro partner organizations with no results for your company. Simply tap Couldn't Find It and fill in the contact and logo information to create your organization. You'll become the admin of the organization, which can be changed later. If needed, you can invite your superior and other team members. Once you are linked to an organization, you will see its installs dashboard, where you can conveniently view previous installs or start a new one. Creating a new installation and pairing a Boldr controller. Before starting with an install, power on the device and tap the center button until it shows this screen. Step 1. Starting a new install. On the main screen, tap the red circle with a white plus sign, plus, in it. Step 2. Enabling Bluetooth. A prompt will ask you to allow Bluetooth access to the Boldr Pro app. Tap Allow, or open your phone's Bluetooth settings to enable. You will only be asked this once. Step 3. Detecting the controller. Hold your phone steadily near the Boldr controller. Place the back of your phone about 4 inches from the controller for best results. Step 4. Creating and setting the property location. First, select the property type, home, office, etc. Then, search for your address manually or tap Use My Location. The app may ask for location access. Choose Allow while using app. You will only be asked this once. Step 5. Naming the property. Assign a custom reference name to the property, for example, 123 Main Street, Unit 2B, to easily identify it later. Step 6. Creating a room. First, select the room type where the controller is being installed, living room, bedroom, etc. Then, give the room a nickname, for example, Master Bedroom, and tap Create Room. Step 7. Selecting full control or humidistat only. Choose how this controller will control the system, either as a humidistat only or as a full control device allowing for thermostat and humidistat. Choosing the mini split unit. Now, you need to tell the app what mini split unit the device will control. This is likely a mini split unit you're pairing with for the first time. If so, tap Set Up New Unit and proceed to Step 1. If you have paired with this exact mini split unit before, you can use the Fast Track option by selecting it from the list of previously paired units to skip the remote control configuration. Step 1. Choosing a new mini split unit. First, select the mini split unit type, split, mini split, portable, etc. Next, search for and select the mini split unit's brand from the list. Then enter the model number of the mini split unit and tap Continue. Step 2. Configuring the remote control. This is the most important step for ensuring the controller can communicate with the mini split. Carefully follow the on-screen instructions. When prompted, point your mini split unit's original remote control directly at the Boldr controller and press the power button firmly on the remote. This allows the controller to capture the remote's unique IR command set. Step 3. Test the command set. Based on the captured signal, the app will suggest compatible command sets. Follow the guided tests, send on command, etc., to confirm the commands work correctly. This also ensures that the positioning of the Boldr controller is good. Once testing is complete, the install is complete. The commands will be uploaded to the Boldr controller and you will be taken back to the property page for the install you just completed. Managing multiple controllers. Adding more controllers. To add another Boldr controller to the same property, simply repeat the process from part 2. Using the fast track option. If you are installing another Boldr controller with an identical mini split unit model you have installed with before, you can speed up the process using the fast track option. Step 1. When choosing the mini split unit, select the mini split unit you have previously paired with. Step 2. You can choose to rerun or skip the tests. Skipping will instantly apply and upload the previously confirmed command set to the controller. Only use this if you are certain the AC units are identical and positioning is good. Need help? Call our live Pro Tech support at +1 888 269 1303. Available Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Time. Thank you for choosing Boldr Pro.